Hey, YouTube. I think this persimmon tree is happy here because I counted 11 persimmon so far that are coming. I just noticed this branch over here. And these are the persimmons right here. Just noticed this branch. I didn't even pay attention to that because I was paying attention to the leader here. And I saw persimmons here, and there, and the biggest one is right here. This is the second year, well, the first full year I've owned this tree. Last year when I purchased it, it came with 6 persimmons, and they all fell off, or either a squirrel got to them. So this year what I'm going to do is I'm going to support it way better than this. This is the first year in the ground, and with the support, I may put some type of metal wire around it so to prevent the squirrels from getting at it. Or maybe they fell off. I don't know. But they did get roughly about that big. Nice little size. So this teeny little tree can probably handle maybe 1 or 2 persimmons. All these persimmons right here. I'm going to let it grow, and whatever happens, happens. But I'm going to try to protect it as best as possible. So stay tuned for the update. Fuyu Persimmon.